Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day. Okay, this tutorial we will continue for searching, but basically this searching only for metric number, and then you insert the metric and automatically will display the other attributes. Okay, for example name and etc. So here we will create the root, find students, and then here the method gets and post, and then we have function find. But basically if we go to this URL, automatically we will go to this one, form 1. Okay, in the form 1, I will show you later. We will insert the metric, normal metric. That's why here we have a request form, no metric. Okay, we'll go for metric number here. I show you for form 1. Okay, form 1, this one we just insert the input type text name, no metric, and then when we submit, automatically we'll go here for students here in control, and then depend on the value, the metric number. Okay, and then now here we have a row here. The row here we have 5 students. Basically this one refer to our model. So I think we already create the find student. If you remember in for update. So here in the model show you again. Okay, 5 students, depend on the value here. Okay, and then our query here, select star from belajar where no metric equal to the value of no metric. So if we go here, okay, if we got new the value of no metric, automatically will show in form 2. In form 2 here, okay, will show you the metric number, nama Umu Jantina, and email. Okay, I will show you how we run this program. Okay. Spelling. Okay, and then here, and then we go for find student. Okay, find students here. We will insert the metric number. For example, this metric number M12345, and then we submit. Okay, this the display. We have name, umur, age, gender, and email. So I will discuss to you how actually we find this value. So here we start with M12345. So if we enter this value, so this means we go the root, but automatically we go for form 1. So now the value is M12345, and then after that we will find the go for this model, and then the value M1235, and then we check in our database here in the model. Also now metric M12345. So here our query here select star from belajar where now metric equal to 1234. So automatically will retrieve that value. So after we retrieve that value, automatically will display in form 2. This one is a form 2. Sorry, this one is form 2. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.